High above the skyline of Metropolis, Iron Man hovered in midair, his arc reactor glowing with pulsating energy. Opposite him, Superman stood tall, arms crossed, his piercing gaze unflinching. Between them floated the quantum stabilizer. A sleek metallic device hung with raw, untamed power. The tension was palpable. The quantum stabilizer, capable of stabilizing tectonic plates and potentially saving millions of lives, had become the center of their clash. Iron Man saw it as stark industry's invention, one that needed to be controlled and secured. On the other hand, Superman viewed it as a tool too dangerous to be monopolized, believing it belonged to humanity as a whole. Conflict was inevitable. In a blur of red and gold, they collided. Iron Man unleashed a barrage of high-tech energy blasts. His repulsor flaring with unmatched precision. Superman countered with sheer force. His blows reverberating through Iron Man's titanium armor, sending shockwaves rippling through the city. The battle lit up the skies, each with a testament to their unmatched power and determination. But as the dust began to settle, both heroes stood, panting and exhausted. It became clear to them that their fight wasn't just endangering their ideals, but also very deeply sought to protect. In the silence that followed, they reached an understanding. The battle gave way to compromise. Iron Man, with a wry smirk, accepted Superman's help in defining and upgrading the technology. Together, they resolved to use it for the greater good, ensuring the safety and progress of humanity. And so, what began as a clash of ideals ended as a partner.
The world is filled with billions of fans of DC and Marvel movies, and I am one of them. If you create videos like this and upload them on YouTube, even if 0.1% of these billions of people watch your video, you can imagine the number of views your video will receive: millions. So, stop worrying about views. This video that I created using AI took me just 1 hour. Today, we will learn how to create such videos. Let's get started. First, we need an amazing story. For that, we will use ChatGPT. We will tell ChatGPT, write a story in which Iron Man and Superman fight over something in 150 words. In a few moments, ChatGPT will start writing a fantastic story, and we will have a great story ready to go. Now, we need prompts to turn this story into a video. For that, we will tell ChatGPT, I want to upload this story on YouTube, so for that, I need a video, which I will generate using AI. Please write prompts for me. The visuals in the prompts should be great. The background should be amazing, and everything should look top-notch. Tell me how many prompts I should generate based on the story to create enough video clips. If we tell the ChatGPT to write a prompt for each scene of the story, you have written because I have to make an AI video of this story. Then the ChatGPT gives us so many prompts in writing that, if we make videos using these prompts, then we will fall short of video clips, so you tell us the number of prompts yourself and tell us more. Next, it's time to create the video. First, we copy a single prompt or all the prompts together and paste them into Notepad. Then, we copy one prompt, go to our Chrome browser, and search for hailuoai.video. You might have heard about this website. If not, let me explain. On this site, you can create 3 videos per day for free with one account. This website specializes in creating videos using AI. It allows you to create videos from text or images. If you want to create more videos, you can make multiple accounts using a temp mail service. If you don't know how to use temp mail, you can check out my other video for guidance. Once you're on the hailuoai.video website, click the plus icon to start creating a new project. From the options available, choose the text-to-video feature because it works best for this purpose. Paste your copied prompt into the input box and click Generate. This will begin the video generation process. It typically takes around 5 minutes per clip. You can also generate multiple clips at once by repeating the process for all your prompts. The good thing is, the videos will continue generating even if you log out or turn off your device. If you want faster results, you can buy a subscription for the website. Once your clips are ready, you can download them. To download, click the download button. If you face any issues with downloading directly, you can copy the link of the clip, go to Chrome, search for ummi.net, paste the link, and download the clip from there. Let me quickly download all my clips now. Now that I've downloaded all the video clips, it's time to give them a final touch by assembling them into a complete video. For this, we will use the best app available, CapCut. Before moving on to editing, we need a voiceover for the video. To generate a voiceover, we will again rely on AI. If your story includes multiple characters, you can generate unique voices for each character using 11 Labs. This platform even allows voice cloning, meaning you can replicate the voices of celebrities. However, this process is time-consuming, so I'll show you an easier method. First, go back to ChatGPT and copy the story. Then, ask it, I want to do a voiceover of this story, so write this story according to the voiceover. There will be only one voice in it, the storytelling voice. There will be no dialogues of any character in it, so write it according to the storytelling voice only. After a few moments, ChatGPT will provide the revised story in a storytelling format. Copy this version of the story and search for LuvVoice.com in your browser. This website has various voice characters, and all the voices generated here can be monetized on YouTube. Paste the story into this website, choose a voice character you like, and wait a few seconds for the voiceover to generate. Once the voiceover is ready, download the audio file. Next, open CapCut and start a new project. Import the downloaded voiceover into the project. Look at the timeline and remove any large gaps in the audio to ensure the flow is smooth and natural. Do not place the audio clips too close together, as this could ruin the storytelling experience and cause viewers to lose interest. Once the audio is ready, import the video clips into CapCut and align them with the voiceover. Make sure the visuals match the voiceover narration. For example, if the narration mentions Iron Man flying, use the corresponding clip for that moment. If the AI-generated clips don't perfectly match the narration, you can either generate additional clips or use stock videos to fill in the gaps. Now, it's time to give the video its final polish by adding sound effects, transitions, and visual effects. For instance, when Iron Man is shown flying, you can add a rocket sound effect. To find such sound effects, simply search for copyright-free effects on websites like Pixabay or Mixkit. Download the sound effect, import it into CapCut, and adjust the volume to fit the video. Repeat this process for all the required sound effects. If you can't find suitable sound effects on these websites, you can also download them from YouTube. Just make sure the title includes terms like no copyright, copyright-free, or royalty-free. However, I recommend sticking to sites like Pixabay and Mixkit, as they usually have everything you need. I've now added all the necessary sound effects to my video. Let me show you the timeline in CapCut. You can see how precisely I've placed the sound effects to match the visuals. Proper sound effects enhance the overall quality of the video. Without them, the video would feel incomplete. Finally, I'll play the video for you to show how amazing it turned out.
High above the skyline of Metropolis, Iron Man hovered in midair, his arc reactor glowing with pulsating energy. Opposite him, Superman stood tall, arms crossed, his piercing gaze unflinching. Between them floated the quantum stabilizer, a sleek metallic device humming with raw, untamed power. The tension was palpable. The quantum stabilizer, capable of stabilizing tectonic plates and potentially saving millions of lives, had become the center of their clash. Iron Man saw it as Stark Industries' invention, one that needed to be controlled and secured. On the other hand, Superman viewed it as a tool too dangerous to be monopolized, believing it belonged to humanity as a whole. Conflict was inevitable. In a blur of red and gold, they collided. Iron Man unleashed a barrage of high-tech energy blasts, his repulsors flaring with unmatched precision. Superman countered with sheer force, his blows reverberating through Iron Man's titanium armor, sending shockwaves rippling through the city. The battle lit up the skies, each move a testament to their unmatched power and determination. But as the dust began to settle, both heroes stood, panting and exhausted. It became clear to them that their fight wasn't just endangering their ideals but also the very people they sought to protect. In the silence that followed, they reached an understanding. The battle gave way to compromise. Iron Man, with a wry smirk, accepted Superman's help in refining and upgrading the technology. Together, they resolved to use it for the greater good, ensuring the safety and progress of humanity. And so, what began as a clash of ideals ended as a partnership, paving the way for a brighter future.
The end result is fantastic. You, too, can make videos like this and earn a lot of money from YouTube because this niche is relatively untapped. It took me a total of 1 hour and 20 minutes to create this video. How much time does it take you? Let me know in the comments. If you have any questions or concerns related to this video or any other topic, feel free to share them with me. Also, let me know what topic you want me to cover next. I'll reply to all your comments. Lastly, if you want more detailed information about text-to-video creation, check out my other video where I've explained everything in great detail. I'll see you there.